Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Unlock the phone and open settings. If the screen is locked, swipe up and authenticate. Once inside settings, scroll to accessibility. This is where Talkback lives. Make sure your hands are steady. When Talkback is active, gestures behave differently. You'll want to locate the accessibility entry first, then tap it to reveal the Talkback option. This initial navigation gets you to the control you must change. It avoids unnecessary detours and prepares you to switch Talkback off immediately. Once in accessibility, use 2 fingers to scroll through the list. Talkback requires 2-finger gestures for scrolling. Find Talkback in the accessibility features, then single tap to focus its toggle and double tap to activate the control. This double tap is how you press while Talkback is on. If a confirmation dialog appears, single tap the confirmation and double tap to accept. Make sure to move deliberately. Talkback reads selections aloud, so listen for the Talkback label to confirm you've focused the correct toggle. After you switch the toggle off, check that Talkback stops speaking. Single tap the screen and notice silence. Then open an app and perform normal 1-finger taps to confirm standard touch responses returned. If Talkback does not turn off or you can't navigate, use the accessibility shortcut. Press and hold both volume up and volume down for about 3 seconds to disable Talkback quickly. If that fails, restart the device, then repeat the steps. A reboot often clears stuck accessibility services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.